How to order from DHgate. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to order any product from DHgate. So let's get started. First, you have to open DHgate application with your account. Alright, after you open DHgate, you will get this type of interface. From here, at the top, in the search bar, you can easily search any product which you want to purchase. In my case, I will search for wallet here. Alright, after you find your product, tap on that. And from here, as usual, you'll have to just select your product from here. Like you have to select your color options, your quantity, and after you select and review its prices, tap on the option buy now, just at the bottom right. From here again, you can as usual choose all of the options on that product, and after you choose all of the options or details from here, tap on the option buy now again. From this section, new shipping address, you'll have to provide your address like your contact name, your code, your mobile phone number, country or region, street address, your zip or postal code, your state or region, and after you provide all of the address of yours, tap on the option save address at the bottom, and after you provide your address, you will be able to order any product from DHgate. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.